Weeds. They're the sneaky invaders that pop up where they're not wanted, spreading fast and stealing space from your lawn. From clover to broadleaf weeds, they can take over quickly. Luckily, Efekto has the right solutions to keep your lawn looking neat and healthy. Choosing the right herbicide starts with knowing exactly what you're dealing with. First, identify the weeds in your lawn and their location. Are they broadleaf weeds in your grass, or are they spreading across paving or flower beds? Next, decide on the type of herbicide. Selective herbicides target only certain weeds like broadleaf weeds without harming your grass. Non-selective herbicides kill anything they touch, so they're better suited for areas where you don't want any plants growing. For lawn care, selective broadleaf herbicides are your go-to. They're designed to eliminate weeds in your grass while keeping your lawn intact. They work systemically, which means the solution is carried through the plant's sap down to the roots, tackling weeds from the inside out. Knowing your grass type is also important, as some lawns need a gentler touch. Buffalo grass is sensitive, so Efekto Bandweed is specifically formulated for these delicate lawns, giving effective control without harming your grass. For tougher broadleaf weeds, Efekto Hormoband delivers powerful results with 2 active ingredients effective on a wide range of problem weeds. And for stubborn or persistent weeds, Efekto Turf Weeder is your go-to solution. This triple action formula includes a built-in wetting agent that makes it fast-acting and highly effective. Application is simple, but safety first. Always follow the product instructions and wear safety gear when mixing and applying. Mix only the quantity you need and use a quality pressure sprayer to cover leaves in a light and even spray, avoiding runoff. Apply a nitrogen-rich fertilizer 2 to 3 weeks before treatment to boost grass growth and help recovery once the weeds are controlled. If the soil is dry, water the lawn the day before application to reduce stress and prevent chemical burn on the grass. Apply early in the morning or late afternoon on cool, dry and calm days. Avoid mowing for 5 to 7 days before application and wait 3 days after before cutting again. Once applied, allow at least 6 hours before watering and keep children and pets away until the product has dried. Some weeds may need repeat applications every 2 weeks during the growing season. Check the product leaflet for details on the specific weeds controlled by each herbicide. By choosing a selective herbicide from Efekto, you'll enjoy a weed-free lawn you've been waiting for. Visit our website to learn more or find these products at a store near you. Efekto, problem solved.